REAP, Rural Energy for America program, is run by the USDA. The solar grant pays for 50% of the total installed cost for qualified solar systems installed in a commercial business, up to $1 million. We take care of the grant writing for you.
Combined with the 30% federal tax credit, the 10% federal tax credit for domestic content, and the 10% federal tax credit for low-income community credit, make your cost $0. We also help you claim accelerated depreciation tax benefits that make the system pay you, so you get money for putting solar in your farm.
Applications for this year's REAP grants close on December 31st. Call today at 1-855-765-4255 equals 1-855-SOL4ALL. Email us at reap@sol4all.com. Visit our website solarprofessionalsouthillinois.com.